Okay, we've been out at the tracks the last few days, and Steve, what are the key things that a lot of the guys are talking about our gear?
Well, Ben, actually one of the biggest things that they've sort of picked up in the last few days is the actual weight of our gear and just how light our gear is.
Yeah, it's not just about lugging the kit up and down the tracks, it's about so much more, including GVM.
It is, GVM, and GVM was a big one that came up recently when we were up in Brisbane. We talked to a lot of guys that were putting together new touring vehicles, and they were all very, very concerned about GVM, and that's one of the big benefits with our Ultimate kit is you can pull 15, 20 kilos.
We've seen it.
Yep.
Look, it's even things like winch extension straps.
Yep.
We've seen them weigh 6.5 kilos, where our winch extension rope weighs
about 1.2, 1.3 kilos.
And there's 5 kilos straight there. And then
Yep.
when you replace your 6 bow shackles with something like that, which weighs 100 grams, again, you're saving plenty of kilos there.
Yep.
Snatch blocks instead of recovery rings, again, you'll save multiple kilos. And that makes a massive difference when it comes to GVM. But also safety. Safety's a massive factor as well.
Well, that's a big one. I mean, when you replace all that steel with softer rope objects, strong if not stronger than steel, and much, much, much gentler if it goes flying.
And we never want to see them go flying. So guys, we know our gear is safer, it's smarter, it's stronger, but it's also gear to get you home.